Hi kids, welcome to Kinder Joy. My name is Shiny and today I am going to tell a story about two friends. Children, you go to your friend's house and you'll enjoy the day nicely and have fun with them. You'll chat with them, you'll play with them, you'll do lots of activities with them and then come back to home with your parents, right? Yeah, like that. Today I am going to tell about two friends. They also enjoy like you all enjoy. They go outing, they play, they chat, they enjoy and they have lots of fun with each other and they come back to home. The girl with the white dress, her name is Shira, and the girl with the black dress is called Ria. So the story name is Mr. Black and Mr. White. Okay children, come, let's go to the story. One day, Mr. Black and Mr. White was living in a house. Mr. Black called to Mr. White, "Tring tring, tring tring. Mr. White, how are you? Shall we go out tomorrow and have lots of fun and we'll play and enjoy the day and come?" "Yes," said Mr. White. The next day morning, the sun came out, so Mr. Black called to Mr. White again. "Mr. White, tring tring, tring tring. Mr. White, are you ready? Shall we meet in our meeting place today?" "Yes," said Mr. White. Then they dressed themselves. Mr. White dressed as Mr. White and Mr. Black dressed himself as Mr. Black. They walked and came to their meeting place and said hi to each other. When you see your friends, you say hi to each other, right? Like that, Mr. Black and Mr. White said hi to each other, and Mr. Black told to Mr. White, "Shall we go out today to a very big hill and we'll play, we'll enjoy, we'll have a chat and we'll share our things, we'll dance and we'll do lots of fun and come back to home." So they started to walk and walk and walk. Mr. Black and Mr. White, in a few distance, they saw a very big hill over there. They discussed with each other that they are going to go to that hill only. So Mr. Black and Mr. White discussed, "Shall we climb the hill now?" "Yes," said Mr. Black and Mr. White. So reaching to that place, they started to climb up, 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 up the hill. At last, they reached up the hill. They took some time, a little rest. Then they started to play with each other and they chatted with each other. "Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak." And then Mr. Black and Mr. White discussed with each other and they started to have their lunch. Mr. Black shared his lunch to Mr. White and Mr. White shared his lunch to Mr. Black. So they shared their foods with each other. Then they closed their box and kept it inside. Again they started to play and they had a dance fun. They jumped and enjoyed and they had lots of fun. Again they chatted, "Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak." And slowly the sun started to set down and it became evening. So Mr. Black and Mr. White planned to come down from the hill and go back to their house. So Mr. Black and Mr. White are coming down, 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 down from the hill, and they walked to their meeting place, then said bye-bye to each other, and two of them went back to their home. Mr. Black and Mr. White took off their hat, closed the door, and they went to sleep. The next day morning, Mr. Black planned to go to his friend's house, Mr. White. So, Mr. Black put on his hat, he opened the door, came out, he closed the door, and then started to walk to Mr. White's house. Mr. Black knocked the door, tock tock, tock tock. Mr. White, Mr. White, are you there at home? Mr. White, Mr. White, are you there at home? No reply. So Mr. Black kept his face so sad, and he came back to his home. He opened the door, took off his hat, and closed the door and went to sleep. Then, on the next day morning, Mr. White planned to meet his friend, Mr. Black. So, Mr. White walked to his friend's house and he knocked the door there. Mr. Black, Mr. Black, my friend, are you there at home? Mr. Black, Mr. Black, are you there at home? Again, there is no reply. So, Mr. White kept his face down sadly and came back to his home. He opened the door, took off his hat, closed the door, and he went to sleep. So, the next day morning, Mr. Black and Mr. White again planned to meet with each other. So, Mr. Black called to Mr. White. Tring, 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 tring. Mr. White, are you there at home today? Shall I come and meet you today? Shall we go out and have lots of fun? Yes, said Mr. White. Then they walked and came to their meeting place and said hi to each other. So after that, they started to walk and walk and walk, and there they saw a mountain. After seeing that mountain, they discussed with each other, Mr. Black and Mr. White, shall we climb up the mountain again and we'll have lots of fun today? Yes, said Mr. White and Mr. Black to each other. Then they started climbing up and up and up and up and up the hill, and finally they reached the top of the hill. They were so tired and they rested for themselves for some time. Then they started to play. They danced with each other. They chatted with each other. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Ekkady, ekkady, yak. Then, the lunchtime, they shared their lunch with each other. Mr. White shared his lunch to Mr. Black, and Mr. Black shared his lunch to Mr. White. They're sharing their lunch with each other. After sharing, they closed their box and kept it inside, and they started to run and play. They jumped and enjoyed the day. They chatted with each other, and slowly the evening started to come and the sun started to sat down. So Mr. Black and Mr. White discussed with each other, we can go back to our home. So it's time up now. So we have to get down from the hill and we'll go back to our home. They started to come down from the hill now. They came down and down and down and down and down the hill, and they met on the meeting place and said bye-bye to each other. They went back to their home. They opened the door, took off their hat, closed the door, and went to sleep very happily. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next video. Okay, children, let me recap some important words to you from the story. This story is Mr. Black and Mr. White. So, there are two colors, black and white. Black and white. When Mr. Black and Mr. White came out from their house to meet each other, what did they do? They opened the door and closed the door. Open, close. Open, close. Then Mr. Black and Mr. White planned to go out to a very big hill. What did they do? They came to the hill, they climbed up the hill, and when the sun set down, they came down from the hill. So, up, down, up, down. When Mr. Black went to Mr. White's house, and on another day, Mr. White visited to Mr. Black's house, and when they were not able to meet each other on the days, how do they feel? They were sad. They were sad. On the next day morning, when Mr. Black and Mr. White met each other, how did they feel? They were so happy, right? So, happy, sad. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Thank you, children. If you really like my video, please subscribe to my Kinderjoy channel and press the like button, which really motivates me in making such great contents for you.